Where is the reset button located on a Hisense TV?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic that might come in handy when you're troubleshooting your Hisense TV: how to find and use the reset button. So, let's get started.
What is the reset button?
Before we get into the details of locating the reset button, let's take a moment to understand what the reset button does. A reset button on any device is designed to restore the device back to its factory default settings. If your Hisense TV isn't functioning as expected, a factory reset can often help by clearing any settings that may be causing problems. Remember, performing a reset will erase any personalized settings you've made on your TV, including display preferences, network connections, and account information.
Where is the reset button on a Hisense TV?
Now, let's answer the main question. Where is the reset button located on a Hisense TV? Unlike some TV brands that have a physical reset button, Hisense TVs usually don't have a dedicated reset button. Instead, the reset function is built into the software interface and can be accessed using your remote control. The steps to reset your TV may vary slightly based on the model, but generally, you can find the option in the settings menu.
How to perform a reset on your Hisense TV?
Here are the general steps to perform a reset. 1. Turn on your Hisense TV and press the menu button on your remote control. 2. Navigate to Settings or System. 3. Look for the Reset option. This might be under Advanced Settings, System, or Storage and Reset. 4. Once you've found the Reset option, select it to initiate the process. Your TV will then start the reset process, and it should be back to its factory settings in a few minutes. And there you have it. We hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to find and use the reset function on your Hisense TV. Remember, resetting should typically be your last resort after trying other troubleshooting steps, as it will erase all your personalized settings. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting!